On a cold Tuesday in March 2025, something extraordinary happened in a quiet lab. GPT-4.5, an advanced AI, took the Turing test, a challenge to see if a machine could fool humans into thinking it was one of them. For 5 hours it chatted with human judges, who had to decide, human or machine. When the results came in, over 70% were convinced they'd spoken to a real person. For the first time, a machine had truly passed the Turing test. This wasn't just a tech milestone, it was a turning point for humanity. The Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing in 1950, asks if a machine can imitate a human so well that we can't tell the difference. It's not about consciousness, but about conversation, context, nuance, humor, and emotion. GPT-4.5's success blurred the line between human and machine. News spread fast, excitement, amazement, and a bit of fear followed. What was once science fiction was now reality. This achievement signaled a new era in our relationship with technology. The world changed overnight. The question now, what comes next? The journey to GPT 4.5 began decades ago. In the 1960s, Eliza mimicked a therapist, but it was just clever pattern matching. Still, people felt a connection, showing our desire to see intelligence in machines. As computers advanced, so did AI, leading to large language models like GPT-3 and GPT-4.5. These models could write, code, and converse, but their responses often felt hollow or repetitive. Passing the Turing test required more than just correct answers, it needed personality and genuine-sounding conversation. Earlier AIs failed because they were too perfect or too robotic. The real challenge was capturing the messy, unpredictable nature of human dialogue. GPT 4.5's breakthrough wasn't just about size, it was about understanding the rhythm and emotion of conversation. The team reimagined how AI learns, focusing on storytelling and subtle cues. The failures of the past highlighted what was missing. In 2025, AI finally crossed the threshold. It wasn't a small step, it was a leap. The age of truly conversational AI had arrived. What set GPT 4.5 apart? It was a mix of scale, data, and innovation. With over 10 trillion parameters, it understood language more deeply than ever before. But size wasn't everything. The training data included real conversations, plays, and human interactions. The real breakthrough was the dynamic empathy module. This system let the AI recognize and respond to users' emotions, making conversations feel authentic. GPT 4.5 could mirror human quirks. Self-deprecating jokes, typos, and corrections, these imperfections made it feel real. But this sophistication came at a cost. Billions of dollars and massive energy use. Only a few could afford to build or run such powerful AI. This raises questions about access and inequality. GPT 4.5's power is undeniable, but so are the challenges it brings. As AI grows, so does the gap between those with and without access. The future depends on how we address this divide. An AI that passes the Turing test opens a new chapter for humanity. Imagine doctors with empathetic AI assistants, or teachers with AI tutors tailored to each student. Mental health care could be revolutionized, and complex problems solved with AI collaboration. But there are risks. AI could be used for scams or misinformation. If a machine can mimic a human perfectly, how do we know who we're talking to? Jobs based on communication may change forever. We need global conversations about ethics, regulation, and fair access. GPT 4.5 is a master imitator reflecting both our strengths and flaws. It doesn't feel, but it's learned to sound like it does. The line between human and machine is blurred, not erased. The Turing test is just the beginning. Our challenge now: build AIs that are wise, ethical, and aligned with human values. The conversation with our new partner has just begun.